Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to solve find the student who will replace the chalk. So we are given an array of chalks where each element represents the number of chalk pieces a student requires. We are also given an integer k which represents total number of chalk pieces. So the question is when the teacher will run out of chalk and which student will be asked to replace the chalks. Let's walk through the examples. So, example states that if a student number 0 uses 5 chalks, so the k will be 0 and so on until it reaches to 0. So, the student number 0 doesn't have enough chalk, so they will have to replace it. So the index, so the output will be 0, the return will be 0. We are going to solve this problem in 3 steps. Step number 1 will be we need to calculate the total number of total total chalks. Some To avoid typos, I need to copy these things. So the next one, we need to reduce k. But how can we reduce k? We have to k modulo the total number of chalk. K modulo total number of chalk. And now the last steps. We need to traverse the array to find the first student who can't complete their turn. So let's do it. For I in range length of chalk. Now when we are going to return the index, if k is less than the elements inside the chalks array. So let's write the condition. If k is less than the chalk of I, then return the index number. So now let's reduce the k by the chalk elements. Let's run the code. So it runs perfectly. Now let's submit the code. So before submitting, let's discuss the time complexity for this code. The time complexity for this code will be O of n times, where n represents the total number of elements inside chalk array. Let's submit the code. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.